To use your freehand stitch option, simply select the design folder, then hit the SES button. Next, we'll hit the plus sign to magnify our screen, then we'll select the paintbrush. In the upper left-hand corner, you can select the size in which you'd like to draw your design. Keep in mind that every time your stylus leaves the screen, you need to reselect the paintbrush. If you make a mistake in your design, simply select the part you'd like to delete and then hit the trash can. Then hit the paintbrush and redraw your design. Once you're finished, hit the arrow. Your design will load and we'll hit the blue X. Then we'll select our design, hit the display button, and then hit load. Now we are ready to run our design.